This is the JOTE, short for Jack of all trades, and it earns the name. Made from grade 5 titanium, it's light, tough, and ready for anything. Need a wrench? A cutter? A bottle opener? JOTE has you covered. With built-in measurement marks and hex slots, it's more than just a tool, it's your everyday solution. Ultra-compact and keychain ready, it disappears in your pocket until you need it. JOTE, one tool. Endless uses. Meet the YIN, a compact EDC tool that packs huge functionality in a sleek, pocket-sized design. Wrench? Bottle opener? Pry bar? All in one rugged frame. Built to handle real work, not just look cool. Made from durable, lightweight materials, perfect for everyday carry without the bulk. Minimalist. Functional. Always ready. Why an EDC tool, tough jobs, tiny package? Meet the EDC wrench, the sleek, pocket-sized tool with serious muscle. It's not just compact, it's precision machined from titanium, so it's ultra-strong and ultra-light. Wrench, pry bar, bottle opener, all in one minimalist design. Yes, it even comes with a built-in ruler, form meets function. Clips in your pocket, packs in your kit, ready whenever you are. EDC wrench, minimalist gear, maximum utility. Flexible, lightweight, and super strong, carbon fiber is a great material to make stationery from. Their flexibility and resilience make them much more hard-wearing than plastic alternatives. In addition, they're suitable for many more uses than metal rulers because carbon fiber won't scratch or damage painted surfaces. At just 0.5 mm thick, the C13 slotted ruler will disappear between the pages of a notebook, making it easy to always have with you. Being made of carbon fiber, they're super flexible, tough, and resilient too. The metric rulers are 200 mm long, and the imperial rulers will be slightly longer at a full 8 inches. Approximate 203 mm. CleanTouch is an useful EDC, everyday carry, that is ergonomically designed to be used for public doors, locks, touch screens, and elevator buttons. Washing hands are extremely important after touching shared surfaces, but when you don't have an immediate access to wash your hands, CleanTouch EDC can reduce the point of contact area and keep your hands clean. CleanTouch is machined from antimicrobial brass to stop germ growth. Researchers have discovered that copper and alloys made of it, including brass, can prevent antibiotic resistance in bacteria from spreading. Each TouchClean EDC comes with a retractable carabiner, quick-release magnetic rings, and 10 PCS of stylus pen silicone tips. EDC BAM Pen uses a bamboo bud design and refillable long-life German ball pens that can fully meet your daily use. The pen looks and feels so good in your hand. The bamboo pen and graver knife combination is a working piece of art. Everyone you know will want to borrow it. Unlike the pens on the market, EDC BAM Pen's caps are designed with a magnetic cap to prevent the cap loss. You can magnetize the other end of the pen in an instant. Our EDC BAM Pen is an irreplaceable thing for each person and one of the most practical and interesting things. Our handle is perfect for any pocket, and its stability on the surface will amaze you. The shape of bamboo perfectly combines with ergonomics. The elegant arc fits fingers and is easy to control. Each arc of the body and corner angle is calculated accurately and tested for measurement, bringing your writing to life. Introducing the all-new Ion Pen XL Stainless Steel Edition. The new Ion XL is a beefed-up version of the original Ion Pen with a 14 mm diameter and overall length of 145 mm. Warning: this pen is not for the faint-hearted. The ION pen combines components in a range of materials and finishes, allowing you to design your perfect EDC. Choose from our off-the-shelf range or go custom. Being prepared is being productive. With our new EDC tool light, we've made a useful multi-tool in a compact and convenient body. The EDC tool light is built from high-quality 6061 aluminum, features IPX7 waterproofing, 150 lumen CR. Meet Pugdy's tactical portable EDC tool, a personal safety tool that enables the user to lock the door mechanically from inside and offers 10+ EDC tools. The EDC has been designed to offer safety for adults and children who are indoors. The metal bit stopper is made of hardened carbon steel, which makes it practically impossible to break. It ensures that the door remains locked and the person inside is safe and protected from unauthorized entry, even with a key. The entire EDC is laser cut with a precision of 0.1 mm or less. All-in-one ergonomic door safety lock, pocket-friendly, and a lightweight tool. The EDC is suitable for almost any door thickness or wall thickness. The user can do away with the plug-in magnets, depending on the door/wall thickness.